Hi, in this video we will show you Slapton Sands Beach, the war monument and a little walk through the nature reserve just opposite the beach. Here you can see a view of the beach and some parts of the drive to the beach. Slapton Sands Beach is a long stretch of beach near Kingsbridge in Devon in the south of England. We parked at the Memorial car park and then explored the beach. Here you can see the beach. This is the war memorial. It commemorates over 900 American servicemen who died during the exercise Tiger just off Slapton Sands. They rehearsed for the D-Day landing at the beach. Opposite the car park and beach is a small nature reserve that is worth exploring. You can do a circular walk there, and if you have time, you can look out for the wildlife. Slapton Sands Beach is a lovely beach and we can recommend it to you, especially during a sunny day. And now we will show you a little bit of the walk around the nature reserve.